Thank you for joining in, and I am back with some more updated reviews. Actually, this is part 2. So if you missed part 1, I will link it down below. But a quick recap here. I am giving an update on things that I purchased from roughly a few months to about a year ago, and I'm just like I said, I'm going to give my final thoughts here on a few things. I know, like I said in part 1, a lot of people do reviews on things, but they never really give you an update to see, you know, maybe their mind changed or maybe their product wasn't as good as they thought it was. So that's what this video is going to be about. Okay, and I'm going to jump right into some extra things here that I didn't talk about before. So I have more watercolor paper that I ordered. This is the Strathmore brand. These are cut to the 5x7, and I did notice that it's the same 140 pound, the acid free. This is still the cold press paper, but I did show in the first video, part 1, that the paper it's the same brand, it's the same, you know, pound and cold press and everything. These are actually a lot smoother for some reason. But again, the paper is really nice. It's thick. This was a little spring doodle illustration here. And like I said before, I have used this brand a few times before, and I do enjoy it. It is a nice, reputable brand. Also from Amazon, I have it's my swatch chart here. This is the Winsor & Newton Cotman, the watercolor set. And as you can see here, it is well loved. There's a little brush that it came with. I do enjoy using this. I don't know how much the camera is going to show, but you could see like the huge dips in some of these colors. The top row I used a lot more than the bottom, but I really do enjoy this palette. And this is nice for travel too. I plan on doing a future video on some travel items and what I use the most. And you can use my hand as a reference. See, it fits like right in the palm of my hand. And I do have a full review on that if you're new to my channel and you wanted to see that. As opposed to this one, which you could tell, I use this one almost every day. I purchased this one from Amazon as well. I use this for a lot of different things. And even when I'm working on my artwork just for Instagram posts, YouTube videos, other classes that I do, there's so much to choose from. Like I said, like this one is so tiny in comparison to this. And I have a separate video if you wanted to see more on, you know, each of the palettes. You can check that out. The only thing I'd say about this, I love the colors on this. The tin is nice, the hook, everything. I like the color is cute. This water pen is a no-go. That's the only thing about this. But this kit was, our palette was like roughly $20. This pen, when I was using it, it actually, I was doing a plant illustration. You could still, I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but the water from the tip, it actually turned the whole water in the tube dirty. Like the water was all green. And it's a little bent. That was from me trying to open it though because it was so stuck. But just the pen is a no-go for me. But everything else was really nice. The colors are really nice. And, you know, like you can obviously see there, that is well loved. I enjoy that a lot. Here are some of my better pens. I purchased these off of Amazon as well. These are the Ohuhu brand. And they came in a set of 3. I lost one of them, but there's a little skinny tip there. And this one's a little bit bigger. And I enjoy these are much better and stronger than the other one and the other little freebie there in that palette. I have some pens here. This is a white jelly roll. These are okay. I mean, they're not the greatest thing in the world. Depending on what you're doing, you can't really see it. So, like I said, it just depends. I would like it if they were a little bit brighter. So I'm still on the hunt for a bright white. These can be found anywhere. This is the Pilot G2. I think they even have like miniature ones, but the black ink in these are really nice, and you could find these anywhere. I use them for drawings and illustration. This gouache set and the case, I've been using these and I really enjoy them. Everything is still intact and working good. As you can see here. Cases are nice and sturdy. And I did notice with the Arteza brand, and I have like a few different brands, but the Arteza one, sometimes they do get a little crumbly when dry, but all you have to do is reactivate them with the water and they're absolutely fine. The colors look the same. And let's see. Another update here. This brush set that I picked up from Amazon, I still absolutely love. I use them all the time. Mostly my smaller ones here. I haven't done any big paintings in a while. I have to pick up extra canvases, but yes, I do love these. I love the case. I think the only thing I would say is that this little fan brush, it's a little floppy and flimsy. That's about the only thing. Although, I mean, these, yeah, the bristles on this one. I mean, it's very, very soft. But that would be the only thing, is that that one particular brush. But other than that, they are very, very nice. Like I said, the case is worth $10 alone. It's a great deal from Amazon. And I did talk about these briefly, but I will show the box. These are the gouache set that I bought from Amazon, the Arteza brand. And the colors are really bright and vivid. I do enjoy using them and experimenting with them, comparing different brands. And they were definitely worth the amount that I paid for them. I think they were roughly like $23 around there. And they were the colors that I was showing here in these palettes, my swatches and that. You could see how bright they are. And again, I have a separate video with more information on those. This is just an updated video that, you know, I have been using all of these products for, like I said, quite some time, and I do enjoy 90% of them, like I said. And oh, especially really quick here, I'm not going to show the entire thing, but I have two different journals that I purchased off of Amazon. One is the Winsor Newton, and this one is Pentalic. The paper in this is really nice. I actually have to purchase some more of these because I only have like a few sheets left in each one. But if anyone was curious about those, this one I would definitely repurchase. Like, I really like the Winsor Newton one, but it doesn't have like a latch or anything on it. So this one's a little bit better for travel purposes. Again, I was going to do a separate travel video, but you could see, like, I've used it so much that there's only a couple sheets left here on the end. But that is definitely something that I am going to repurchase. The structure of these is really nice. But and that is it for this second portion here. And again, if you missed out on the first video, I'll link it down below so you can see that one as well. And thank you so much for watching. Feel free to subscribe and like the video, and stay tuned for more reviews and updates.